Hello beautiful people, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back another video. Who are you friends? I hope all of you fine and be happy. Allah Almighty give you a great and happiest life. So let's start my today collection and my today video. In this video I am going to sharing with you a graceful photo collection and beautiful moments of beautiful Turkish royal couple Halil Ibrahim and Sila Turkoglu. So viewers, video watch till then and see a graceful photo collection and take great ideas from my today collection, from my today video. So beautiful Halil Ibrahim and most stylish, most charming and beautiful couple of Turkey. Halil Ibrahim and Sila's iconic look and lovely moment, happiest moment, romantic moments which are captured in photos I can bring for you viewers. I hope you will be enjoy a graceful photo collection and lovely moment of this Turkish star, Turkish actor, Turkish actresses and beautiful Turkey couple. So if you like my collection, so share with your friends and neighbors. So viewers, if you are worried about your dress designs, casual dresses, so you can take great ideas from Sila's iconic look, Sila's beautiful dress designs. Sila Turkoglu is a symbol of fashion. Sila is a fashionable girl and beautiful lady of Turkey. I hope you will be enjoy such a graceful and charming couple of Turkey, Sila and Halil Ibrahim. So viewers, touch with us and take great ideas and see a graceful photo collection. If you want to see different Turkish actors and actresses like Ozgi Torer, Ozgi Yogaz, Sila, Halil Ibrahim and Borak, Faria, Hazel Kya, Gulsim Ali, Berin Saad and different Turkish stars, Turkish actresses and actors. So please visit my channel Style Creator. On my YouTube channel you will be seeing graceful couple of royal families and different Turkish actors and actresses. So if you want to see Swedish royal beautiful ladies and princess, beautiful dress design, so please visit my channel. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, you are not subscribed my channel, I request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button to receive all new notifications, all new videos about royal families, royal lifestyle, royal personalities and Turkish royal beautiful Turkish couples. You can take great ideas from Sila's beautiful dress designs and iconic look, jewelry collection and casual lifestyle.